Hey everybody, it's Scott from Nationalcycle. Today we're back in the studio. We're going to be installing a new VStream windshield on this gorgeous 2023 triple black R1250 RS. The nice thing about the ZTechnik windshields we offer for these models, they'll fit all 2015 to 2018 R1200 RS, as well as the 2019 to 2024 R1250 RSs. Simple installation, just need one hand tool to do it. Big difference going down the road in comfort and style. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the new windshield we're going to be installing today. Before we get started, I want to point out something to everybody here. This is a completely different shaped shield, and it's to sit at a different angle than the stock original. So when you hold it up to the bike originally, nothing's going to line up. Don't let that throw you off. It's done by design. What we do is include these offsets for the upper mounts. This will space it back out, get the height and angle proper, so that way it installs properly. So let's go ahead and get started. Included in the hardware kit are 4 grommets, 2 shorter offsets for the lower mounts, 2 longer offsets for the upper mounts, 4 decorative black caps, 2 25mm long bolts, 2 45mm long bolts. To complete installation, you need a T15 and a T25 Torx head driver. All right, to start the installation, you want to take your T25 and remove the 4 original OEM mounting bolts. All 4 bolts can be set aside, they will not be reused. All right, now we're going to start on getting the shield prep ready for the bike. We're going to take the 4 rubber grommets and insert them into the 4 bolt holes on the shield. We're going to take the short offset. This is going to be for your bottom mount. And probably just press it right into the grommet. There will be friction, so there'll be some friction in there to keep it in place, so you can line it up on the bike. So, go over to the bike here. You want to use one of the shorter bolts and one of the low offset washers. There's a bevel in the middle of it to hold that bolt in place, keep it lined up. What you want to do is, these are going to go up onto the upper mounting hole here on the bracket on each side. Go ahead and start them a few threads just to get them held in place. And just put a little bit of tension on there. Then you can take one of your longer offsets, slide it in behind here, press it into the bolt on the shield. Take one of the longer bolts from the kit with the decorative washer, slide it in place. Start a couple threads just to get it going. You may have to work it around a little bit just to get the line up properly. It's perfectly normal. Do the same process on this other side here. Slide this into place. Be careful you don't hit to touch the shield. Get the bolt in. Line up the bolt hole. Okay, then your T15. Go ahead and snug them all up. Okay, I got it snugged. Now's a good time to make sure we're moving on the front end, everything clears nicely. Everything looks good, everything feels good. Go ahead and tighten it down all the way. You want to go nice and, you just want to go firm. Bolt so it starts being really, when it starts getting to the point where it's tight, go ahead and stop. You don't want to over tighten these. And you're all set. And there you have it. Very easy installation. One simple hand tool, you're ready to go. Looks great on the bike. It's going to function great. Going to give you great protection going down the road. Best part of the whole thing, still got full range of motion with your stock adjustment. So go ahead and jump on our website, check this product, check out all of our products at our website, nationalcycle.com. Please also visit our social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Until next time, enjoy your ride.